Hello YouTube, I'm John Can, and I've been pretty busy working on this addition to my house. As you can see behind me, we're to a point where I'm painting and whatnot. But we're taking a break today. My son and I are going to play with some Hot Wheels. We figured that this big space would be a lot of fun to build a Hot Wheels track in. So that's what we're going to do. Looks like it works pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we had to take a break there, do a little bit of homework and stuff. So now we're gonna run a couple laps with like 3 or 4 cars and see what happens. The kid had an opportunity to do a little decorating in here. So we've got this like epic battle and a dragon to go through, so should be pretty cool. Fight.
Nerve Hammer, Road Rocket, and Howlin' Heat.
Well, let him go. Something happened in here, huh? Crashed out in the tunnel somewhere.
It's about a stick.
See him in there all piled up. Send another run of the 6, or of the 3. Try to space him just a little bit more, huh? Nice. What happens if you send all 3 at one time?
It'll get pretty messed up.
Well, let's try it and see what happens. I want to know. People want to see crashes. I want to see crashes.
Hey, Mr. Mechanic. Let's do it.
Oh! 2 out of 3, huh?
Yep.
That orange one did not make it.
That one is called the Nerve Hammer.
It crashed out. Let's do that one more time and I'll see let's see if they get to this loop again. Something went wrong. It looks like 2 out of 3 do pretty good, huh?
Yeah, but it looks like the dragon found its next to me.
What happens if you send 4 at a time?
4.
Yeah, send 4, because 2 makes it fine. 3, something goes wrong.
Okay. I'm gonna add horseplay.
Got 4 of them all going at the same time. And let them rip. Oh, they get backed up in the turn. That's what happens. Yeah.
Other than that, I'll program music. How about we try 6?
You're mad, sir, mad!
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh!
3 made it. Where did we lose them? We lost 2 right here and 1 right there at the loop, huh? I want to know what happens in the loop. Or in the turn. That's where they fail. Let's set up this camera to watch, and I'll get the slow motion camera too.
Right.
Leave it off of there and send 1.
Send 1.
Yep.
Howling Heat is going down.
Let's see how this goes. Hang on. Go ahead. Something went wrong. You gotta have that top bit on there, else it doesn't stay. Yeah, so it's gotta have that thing on there to keep them straight. Let's put it back on. Go ahead. It's got to have that thing in there and keep the back end of the car down. Else it flips up. All right, let's send 3 of them, because 3 of them seems to not run. And we'll see why. Go for it.
Wait, all 3 of them made it.
They all went through, huh?
The nerve hammers got stuck at the loop.
I bet you if you send 4, they'll definitely crash out. That time 2 didn't make it through. Yeah, check it out, they all start running into each other and they can't make it through. 2 can get through, but just barely, huh? Nice.
Where's the nerve hammer?
It's still coming back out of there, look. All sideways and stuff too. Cool. Well, that explains that. So only 2 can go through
At a time.
through the turn. Let's check and see what happens when we send them through the loop in slow motion. I wonder if they actually like stay on the track all the way, or what? Send like 3 of them go with 1 second in between them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Nice, they all made it through. Check it out. That little ramp is pretty hard on them. Look at it, they make that bottom turn. Here, watch this next one. It's gonna come out of the big ramp, or big loop. And when it hits the bottom of that next loop, it kind of jars them right there. Sends it around.
Two at a time.
2 at the exact same time. Let's see what happens.
3, 2, 1, go. Here they come.
Look at that, they kind of space themselves out a little bit, huh?
Yeah, then they get together.
Right there, they start to close in and get together, and then they like go through that first loop, and then the second one. Boom. That yellow one like bumped it right there. Look at that, it's rammed into the other one. So the yellow one is faster than the red one through the loop. Okay, send 3 of them, but send Howlin' Heat last.
Howling Heat last?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
go for it. Let's see if we can figure out what went wrong. There they come. Dude, that guy was like off the track for a second. But look at that other yellow one, it's faster and it hit it, took it right off of there. Boom! You are dead. You are dead. Crashed out. So that red one is the slowest one. Send that other yellow one and then send the red one. And send them all at the same time. Don't give them any time between.
Gotcha.
Go ahead. everything crashed out right there.
I see that. That other yellow one is gaining
the-
on Howling Heat.
The one yellow one was like sideways already though. Oh, they crashed out right between. Oh, dude! Everybody flipped and everything. This red one makes it not go as good. Is it? If you go by itself, does it work?
Yeah, it works.
Okay, I think we should do some slow motion work down here at the end and fire up our new apparatus.
Apparatus?
Yeah, the new piece there. So we've got all of our tracks set up and we added this booster machine. Booster, oh yeah. Go ahead and switch the machine on, kid. Listen to the power! Oh. Okay, lots of things. Go ahead, send like 3 or 4 of them in a row. Whoa! Threw it right off of there. Oh, crash! Oh, crash! Oh, that one made it. That one made it. I think we should make our ramp taller, kid. We made an adjustment. We're seeing what happens now. Oh, crash. Whoa. Nice.
There it is. Whoa. I'm a rocket.
I can fly. I can soar like an eagle.
Not that guy.
Crash. Not so much. Oh no, crash. Got a big old bounce out of it too. Nice. Now we need to put your Lego wall right here. So we can take it out. There it goes. Boom. Stunt guy did a flip. Nice. Well, let's try our paper next time.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can't do like a ring of fire, but we wanted to do something that the cars could burst through, you know, besides just a Lego wall. So we've got a cardboard box
With some
that we
paper
just
attached to it.
taped up, and we've got tissue paper attached to it. All right, dude, go ahead and fire up the booster. Listen to the power! Power of the booster! Nice. That did the job.
Right, but there's... Oh wait, there is an air.
Yeah. There it goes. Boom! Oh, right on through. Awesome. Okay. Nice.
What happened?
Went right through it. Nice. That was cool.
Oh man, I didn't see it.
That's okay. Now we'll just do a couple of cars crashing into other cars and see how it goes. Go for it. That hits them pretty hard.
There it is.
Boom! Oh, dude, look, it just like ejected the yellow truck. The truck there just like flew out of the way.
Boom!
Okay, go ahead. Watch. There it is.
Boom.
That yellow one got thrown out of there hard. The blue one just kind of toppled over, huh? We should fill the bed of this thing up with something and like let it get hit. Like a bunch of little paper balls or something. Some of our tissue paper that we used up.
Yeah.
That might be cool, huh? Alright, dude, I'm ready whenever you are. That was cool. There it is. Check it out, it blew all the paper out everywhere. We need to do that one more time. Like, let me get a little bit further back so we can see the paper go. Did it! Nice. Hey. Nice job, buddy.
Level complete.